AI is changing our world. It is changing very quickly. Computers can now learn things. They can also make choices. This is a big step for science. Many companies are using AI. It helps them do better work. This new power is amazing. Roads are very important for us. They connect all our places. We use roads every single day. Good roads help our countries grow, but roads get damaged easily. Bad weather can hurt them. Heavy trucks also cause damage. Potholes and cracks often appear. Fixing roads costs much money. It also takes a lot of time. Workers must close roads for repairs. This makes traffic jams happen. It is not fun for drivers. The materials for roads are key. We need strong, lasting materials. Finding better ways is hard. Now think about special roads. Imagine roads that fix themselves. This sounds like a dream, but it is becoming real soon. AI is the key to this idea. AI can help build smart roads. These roads find and fix damage. This could change roads forever. Self-fixing roads are very smart. They are a new kind of road. They use special stuff and tech. These roads can feel damage. Small cracks can be found fast. This is better than big holes. Finding damage early is good. It keeps roads safe for all. Artificial intelligence is very important for this. AI systems can study much data. Data comes from road sensors. Sensors are inside the road. They find stress or tiny cracks. AI looks at this data always. It learns to guess future problems. This guessing power is great. When AI finds a problem spot, it can start the repair work. It does not need a person. The AI decides the best fix. It might use repair liquids, or it sends a small robot. This makes the system fast. It is also very efficient. Think of your body healing. A small cut heals by itself. Your body knows about damage. It sends help to fix it. Self-fixing roads do this too. AI is like the road's brain. It checks health and starts healing. This smart system keeps roads strong. Many new techs make this work. One is self-healing materials. Scientists make special concrete. Also special kinds of asphalt. They have tiny balls inside. These balls have repair liquid. A crack breaks the small balls. The liquid fills and seals the crack. Another way uses tiny life. Some bacteria can make limestone. These bacteria go in concrete mix. Water in a crack wakes them. The bacteria then make limestone. This limestone seals the crack shut. It is a very natural fix. It is like a road doctor. Shape memory polymers are smart.